has used horrific forms of torture on self-determination. This is not a government to be celebrating. Let this 50th anniversary serve as a wake-up call to the world that the Chinese government's brutal and inhumane treatment of human beings has gone on long enough. Hence our title, 50 years is long enough. I'm not going to say much more about that, but I want to turn the mic over to some of our speakers. The first person I would like to introduce is Oyen Dilik. He is an Inner Mongolian from the Ordos League of Inner Mongolia.
China. As the result, people murdered, culture destroyed, religious practices prohibited, fundamental human rights deprived, and human dignity insulted in Inner Mongolia. During the past 50 years of Chinese occupation of Inner Mongolia, the Mongols have become all of these make the 50 years birthday of the People's Republic of China as a cause of condemnation instead of celebration all over the world. 50 years is more than long enough for the peoples who are suffering from the regime, and it is far more than long enough for such a brutal regime to survive and celebrate today. We must act now to ensure that the regime will not last for another half a century. Today, we are on the threshold of new century. In the new century, people's right to self-determination must be regarded as equal as the God-given rights of an individual. In the new century, the international community must act to protect the people from repressive government's gross and systematic violation of the fundamental rights.
Bunda olsa, Makay'nın elçixanasından astı kitap yotqanğı öğünüp oturağınız mı? Nereden çıktı bu gap? Benim mesleğden çıkıp nereden gap çıktı bu gap? Xitayning elçixanasını aldı, nima deb keldinglar qani? Va gapni chaqchaq deyapman, rost deyapsizlar. Ha? Sildan og'zingdan bu gap chiqdi deb o'ylamagan turibman men.
We gather here today to send a very strong message to the Chinese government that 50 years of communist rule is enough. The Chinese people today still do not enjoy many basic civic and human rights guaranteed by the United Nations. They do not have the freedom of speech, freedom of religion, freedom of press, freedom of assembly, and most importantly, freedom of choosing their own government. They even don't have the freedom to practice meditation. They have rounded up thousands of Falun Gong membership in China. During these 50 years, people and culture of Tibet went for remembrance. Remember so many people who died and suffered under the communist regime. During these long 50 years, the Taiwanese people have been living constantly under the threat of military invasion from China. They live in fears of Chinese aggression and war. The government of China claims that Taiwan is a province of China. They say if Taiwan refuses to unify with China, they will use force to achieve it. They say they have hundreds of missiles, and they have neutron bombs. They can destroy Taiwan over and over again, and they can kill all the people and leave the building and the property intact. This 19th century hegemonic mentality clearly indicates the nature of this communist regime. An authoritarian regime dictatorship disrespect of human rights and human lives. This disrespect of human lives is demonstrated again in recent Taiwan earthquake disaster. We Taiwanese Americans were shocked to learn that in order to appease China, the United Nations rescue coordinators and the American Red Cross seek the Chinese approval before they can send rescue workers to Taiwan, where thousands and thousands of Taiwanese were killed and trapped in rubble China and spend extra 11 hours before reaching Taiwan. This is absolute tyranny and a military threat, and live together peacefully in brotherhood. Thank you very much.
Human rights for all! Human rights for all! We want freedom! We want freedom! Shame on Free Banchen Lama! Free Banchen Lama! Stop killing Uyghurs! Stop killing Uyghurs! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Leave Taiwan alone! Leave Taiwan alone! Shame on Chinese government! Shame on Chinese government! Long live the Dalai Lama! Long live the Dalai Lama! 50 years is enough! 50 years is enough! We want freedom! We want freedom! Human rights for all! Human rights for all! Thank you.
I would next like to introduce Abdulghani Musha. He is a Uyghur from Gulja in eastern Turkistan, and he's also a former political prisoner, and he's going to be speaking about his experiences as a political prisoner in China.
Hürmetli qarindoshlar, dostlar. Bugun Xitoy elchixonasi oldida kommunistik Xitoyning vatanimiz Sharq Turkistonni zo'rlik bilan bisondalikning 50 yil bo'ldi. Men bu vaqtni bek uzun bilaman. 50 yil mobaynida Xitoy hukumatı Sharq Turkiston xalqi ustidan qo'ldan keladigan barliq qilg'iliqlarni yurgizib, vatanimiz Sharq Turkistonni dunyoning eng qabohatli rayoniga aylantirdi. Ularning 50 yildan beri elib berilgan milliy madaniyatni yo'qotish, diniy e'tiqodimizni buzg'unchilik qilish, ocharchilikda qoldirish, qonunni rasmiyatsiz o'ldirish, iqtisodiy bulanqalash va muhitni bulg'ash, ishlarini sanab tugatgani bo'lmaydi. Bugun Xitoy kommunistlari davlat bayramining 50 yilligini tantana qilyapti. Lekin Sharq Turkistonda xohlagancha odam o'ldiryapti. O'tmishlikni qo'yib, ko'z oldimizdagini olsaqlar, mushu uchun mobaynida xalqaro inson haqlari ahdnomasiga imzo qo'ygan Xitoy Sharq Turkistonda sonsizlagan Uyghur farzandini qonunsiz tutib dahshatli jismoniy qiyin qisloqlarga o'lim jazolariga hukm qilmoqda. Mening nurg'un do'stlarim Xitoyning bu razil inson tabiatidan qalqigan jinoyatning qurboniga aylandi. Men bu do'stlarimning ismligini sizlarga taqdim qilmoqchiman. Shahid qilgan, o'lim jazosi berilgan Abdusalom, Muhammad, Hamid Mahmad, Abduxilil. Siyosiy jinoyatchi deb qo'lga ilingan do'stlarim Zulfiqar, Mirzat, Saidahmad Yunus, Ablat, Tursun Muhammad, Qahar, Ilyar, Ablat Qarajim, Mehmetcan Qarim, Turg'an Tursun, Iminjon, Abdusalom qatorliq nurg'un Sharq Turkistonlik qarindoshlarimiz izdereksiz yo'q qilinmoqda, ham tutqun qilinmoqda. Men bu do'stlarimning nardishganligini hozirgacha hayot yoki o'lik ekanligini bilmayman. Jozimin, qani mening do'stlarim, qani mening do'stlarim, qani mening do'stlarim. Terrorist China, fashist China, qamxo'r China.
My name is Abdulghani Mijit. I'm a Uyghur from Gulja in Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region of People's Republic of China. I want to tell the Chinese brutal torture methods to me and my friends, and my personal account of suffering in Chinese prison. In February 1995, some young Uyghur businessmen and I at 12:30 a.m. The Chinese prison guards dragged me into basement interrogation cell and started torturing me.
Since then, the Chinese guards started a habit of torturing me every night. All these guards spoke serious torture from the Chinese prison guards to confess. We were all forced and tortured to confess that NASHAP was organized to carry out anti-Chinese government activities and separating Xinjiang from China. However, in the face of extremely painful torture, all of had nothing to confess since we didn't break any law. The anguished to confess. Since we all denied the criminal charges and said NASHAP was traditional, and the Chinese guards continued to molest me with the dogs, hoping to annihilate our wills of resistance. We were put into the same cell at that time. Today, me and my every time he denied one charge. Immediately he internally bled and fainted. Then he was taken into the cell. We saw what the Chinese guards did to him, and all of us cried. Since then, Muhammad couldn't sit or sleep on his back and walk straight. The most shocking and for Eastern Turkistan.
Freedom for Eastern Turkistan.
50 years is too long.
50 years is too long.
50 years is enough.
50 years is enough.
Thank you.
Our Tibetan political speaker, his name is Karma Zerkong. He is the Vice President of the Capital Area Tibetan Association.
Money was being tight. The order of the day, party reforms, maybe, but democracy, no. Private independence, no. Dialogue on Tibet, no. Dialogue on Uyghur issues, no. Dialogue on Inner Mongolia, no. Dialogue on Eastern Turkey, no. But there is only one yes. That yes is the unity of China about
And your intelligence, because you are on the cutting edge of a new world frontier, and that is a world blessed with democracy. So I salute you, I applaud you, and I say here today that I am forever with you, because you are the champions of hope. Thank you.
Free Tibet!
Free Tibet!
Free Taiwan!
Free Taiwan!
Free Inner Mongolia!
Free Inner Mongolia!
Human rights for all! Free Arabia!
Free Arabia!
We want freedom!
We want freedom!
We want human rights!
We want human rights!
50 years is...
Good afternoon, dear friends and brothers. 20 years ago, I was in Tiananmen Square with thousands of students who are calling for democracy and freedom as we are here today. As you may know, 50 years ago, the Chinese Communist Party took power, driving the nationalist government from China to Taiwan and...
Taiwan! Free Taiwan! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Eastern Turkistan! Free Eastern Turkistan! Free Mongolian! Free Mongolian! Free Mongolian! Free Mongolian! Free Tibet now! Free Tibet now! China out of Tibet! 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 Shame on China! Shame on China! Shame on China! Shame! Shame, shame, China!
Fascist China! Fascist Communist China! Fascist Communist China! Fascist Communist China! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Eastern Turkistan! Free Eastern Turkistan! Free Eastern Turkistan! Free Mongolia! Free Mongolia! Free Taiwan! Free Taiwan! Free Eastern Turkistan! Stop killing Uyghur!
Stop killing Uyghur!
Stop killing Tibet! Stop killing Tibet!
Stop killing Tibet!
Stop killing Taiwan!
Stop killing Taiwan!
Stop killing Mongolia! Free Eastern Turkistan!
Free State Turkistan!
Free Eastern Turkistan!
Free State Turkistan!
Fascist China!
Fascist China!
Fascist Communist China!
Fascist Communist China!
Fascist Communist... Stop killing Mongolia!
Stop the killing in Eastern Turkestan!
Stop killing in Turkistan!
Stop the killing in Eastern Turkestan! Human rights for all! What do we want? What do we want? Now! What do we want? Freedom! When do we want it? Now! What do we want? Freedom! When do we want? Free Tibet now! Free Eastern Turkestan now! Free Eastern Turkestan now! Free Eastern Turkestan! Free Mongolia now! Free Mongolia now! Free Mongolia now! Free Mongolia now! Hands up Taiwan! Hands up Taiwan! Hands up Taiwan! Hands up Taiwan! Free the pension lama now! Free the pension lama now! Free the pension lama now! Free the pension lama now!
Stop the killings!
ที่เป็น处理ทางนอกประเทศ
Human rights for all! Human rights for all! Human rights for all! Human rights for all! Independence for all! Independence for all! Independence for all! Independence for all! Tibet for Tibetans! Tibet for Tibetans! Tibet for Tibetans! Tibet for Tibetans! Independence for Taiwan! Independence for Taiwan! Independence for Taiwan! Independence for Taiwan! Free
like to introduce, sorry, my voice is cracking. I would next like to introduce a young Uyghur man named Amanullah Kader Azad. He is 15 years old and he is from the Urumqi city in eastern Turkistan. I asked him to come to speak today because when I was visiting with his family who live in Virginia, he showed me a book that he had put together called The Land in the Desert. He wrote a book about his Uyghur history and culture and the political situation in his country. And he only came here about 6 months ago, and after 6 months, his English is incredible. He is a very special young man, and I'm very happy to have him speak here today. So Amanullah Kader Azad, please come here.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Amanullah Azad. I'm Uyghur. I was born in Atush in eastern Turkistan. I am 15 years old. The situation in my country is very sad. I want to ask Americans to help us become free like Americans. I feel very like to be in America and ask for help because it's very, very hard for Uyghur to come to America. Uyghurs and American peoples are very friendly and kind. I grew in Urumqi, the capital of eastern Turkestan. Now, I want to tell you about my life in eastern Turkestan. When I was 6 years old, my mother and my father put me in a Chinese elementary school because in eastern Turkestan, Uyghur cannot get a good job if they don't study in Chinese school. When I was in the 2nd grade, I had writing classes. One day, the teacher told us to write composition about our dreams of the future. I wrote that I want to be a king. The teacher asked what's the meaning of the word king. I asked, a king like a Deng Xiaoping can come to China. I want to be a king. The teacher got angry at me because I say this. She called my mother and asked her, did you teach your son this? My mother said, no. Maybe he serves kings in the culture of the Vikings and wants to be like them. The teacher said that I had a major problem. She told the school ladies and they put a note on my record that I was not normal and I would go to a Chinese school anymore, just because I told teacher something she didn't like it. I was only cute. I didn't understand what I was saying. I was only at the Uyghur school. I told you before that if Uyghur want to get a good job, they have to go to a Chinese school. Because I have always gone to Chinese school, I will not speak Uyghur well. So that summer I went to Gulja in west of eastern Turkestan, and my cousin helped me to learning to speak, write, and read Uyghur. When I went back to Urumqi at the end of the summer, I began to go into Uyghur elementary school. I studied in elementary school until I left China because I was not willing to go to a Chinese school. After my first years in the Uyghur school, my school was changed into Chinese school. They took our schools away from us and gave it to a Chinese student. All of the Uyghur students were moved to a five-room old house behind the school. It had broken windows and leaky ceilings. We also did not have any heat. Urumqi gets very cold in the winter. We were very cold, so each student had to give 1 yuan baht by a small bonus. So horse hour only had five rooms and there were 600 Uyghur students. So our teacher had to cut a school day in half. In the morning, 600 students would go to study in the 5 rooms, and in the afternoon, and another 300 students will go. In eastern Turkestan, the Chinese students study in the two winter buildings and left to study biology, chemistry, and physics, and the computer class. The Uyghur schools are very different. They are poor, abandoned. The Chinese government gives the Chinese school a lot of money, but gives the Uyghur school very, very little money. If we want to make our school better, our parents have to pay. If it all have to depend on kind, rich business people like Rabia Kadir. Also in China, everyone has to pay to go to school. Many Uyghur parents are poor, so some Uyghur students can finish elementary school and many can finish middle school and high school. Very few Uyghur schools have the chance to go to a college. Even Uyghur who finish college can find job because most of the jobs is go to a Chinese. In school, we learn that the Chinese government wants to learn. We don't learn about our history. We only learn Chinese history. The Chinese say that their history is our history. They try to make us believe that we are Chinese. They want to us forget that we are Uyghur. The Communist Party wants us believe that Eastern Turkestan is part of China, and Uyghur are Chinese. They want to us to believe in the Communist Party and not in our religion. Straight in elementary school, we have classes about communism and Muslim almost every day. If students and teachers also can go, or teachers saying things against communists or Muslims, they are sit into jail. We also can go to masjid to pray namaz, and we can practice fairly in the religious customs. We can only believe in communism. So that's our life under the Chinese government. Please help my people become free. My hope is Turkistan can one day part of the United Nations. Thank you. Free Turkistan! Free Turkistan! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Thailand! Free Taiwan! Free in Mongolia! Free in Mongolia! Thank you.
Shall
Shame on China!
Shame on China! Shame on China! Shame on China! Shame on China! Shame on China! Shame on China! Shame on China! Shame on China! Shame on China! Shame on China! Shame on China! Shame on China! Stop with the culture!
Shame on China! Free Eastern Turkistan! China out of Eastern Turkistan! Out of Inner Mongolia! China out of Inner Mongolia! Daha da uzun uçandan.
Hey folks, need this street here cleared, either up on that sidewalk or up on that sidewalk. Okay? I'll move up on the sidewalk. Let us say it one more time.
China. Nephew was taking the video at that time. I'm not very sure if he took that picture or not. If I have the picture, I'm going to let you know. Okay? Sure. I will.
My husband's a journalist.
Really? Sure, I will.
Thank you.
Shame on China! Shame on China! Shame on China! Shame on China!
Shame on China! 更像。
Bakarsana. China, shame on China. Shame on China. Shame on China.
Shame on China. Shame on China. Shame on China. Shame on China. Shame on China. Shame on China. Shame on China. Shame on China. Shame on China. Shame on China. Shame on China!
Shame on China!